Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I've come down to the allotment I say pretty early, it's not that early. I've dropped the girls off at school and work, etc. And then I've come here. I don't think it's supposed to be as hot today because it has been sort of hitting, well, last weekend was like 30 and then most of the week it's been like 26, 27, but I think at the moment it's only about 19 degrees, which is quite pleasant. So I've come early to get some bits done and then I can be home for lunchtime. So I need to really get them tomatoes out. The thing is I've bought 3 bags of compost down and really I need to put some on a bed, but I think I need to use them for the tomatoes first. I did plant some out in some pots, but look at these, just changing the subject completely. Look at these peas. I'm not sure what variety are they. Oh, Hurst green pea, but they're really long. I'm not sure we've had them this long before. Look. So they look, no, you can't see. Yeah. Hang on, I'll turn it round and show you. They're really long. As I say, I'm not sure we've had them that long before, but they're looking really good. Just need them to fatten up a bit and they will be good to go. And then I need to sow some more actually. I'm going to sow another ones to go down there. And then I'm probably going to get some more compost so that I can put the rest of the stuff out, because as I say, I've still got some brassicas here that need to go in this bed down here. I'll show you. I can't remember what I've shown you, but I'll show you again. Or you might not, you might be new and you've never seen the plot before at all. Look at these plums. Oh, why is it when I show you can't see? Look at them. Loads of plums, looking good. Not as many apples, so this tree hasn't got as many apples, but it's got some. Right, let me turn this around and show you this bed. So this is quite a big bed. It's got some of our compost on there, and then it's got some of this manure that's been put on. So I think Mum's put them there to go on here, and then we need to just top it off with some compost, and then that will be a really good bed. And it's quite a big bed, so a lot of the brassicas are going to go in there. So let's have a look. We can get like 1, 2, 3, probably get 4 across that way, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 if I put a bit more stuff up the end there. So that's quite a lot of plants, I think. What did I say? 8 by 4. So 32 plants in there. So that will be quite good. I'm not sure how many cabbages and stuff we've got, but we're probably getting on for that. And then this bed over here as well, this hasn't got any of the manure on. The bags are there ready to go on it. As you can see, it needs quite a lot of stuff put on there. That's got like duck bedding. One of the plot holders has got ducks, so he gave us very kindly some duck bedding to put on there, so that's what that is. And then I might empty the manure on there as well, so that can get going, and then, as I say, more compost to go in there. And then again, that's another quite a big bed. So I'm thinking, what else have I got to put out? I need some squashes. I've got so many squashes. I have brought down some Jack B. Littles to go into this bed, which again needs some stuff put in it first, and then it could grow over the arches. And then I usually put some this side as well, but this side isn't quite ready. So I need to get that ready to put the rest in, and then hopefully we should have some nice Jack B. Little pumpkins. But then I have got a lot of other squashes as well. So some of them are going to go on the other plot. We've got 2 plots and it's got just 1 big bed, but it needs weeding. Hopefully going to do that this weekend, just prepare it, and then what we do is just put the squashes and pumpkins in and just let them do their thing. They have enough space to just sort of grow and spread. We did it a couple of years ago and it worked really well, and they looked really good. We didn't do it last year in that bed because we rotated them, so we actually used this one here, but it wasn't that bed. We've changed it a bit. So lots of planting out to do still. I feel like I'm sort of getting there, but not. There's still lots to go out, and I'm panicking where it's going to go, but just need more compost. That's the trouble. So I'm going to go get some more, I think. But right, I need to make a start, otherwise I'll just keep talking and then it'll be too hot and then I won't get anything done. Right, first job then, I'm going to weed this bed out, and then I can get them Jackby Littles out, and then that's one job done. Right, I've put in some Jackby Littles along here. I thought I brought 6 with me, but one of them was actually a jack of all trades, so I haven't put that in because I think that's a bigger pumpkin, so it won't go over the arch as well. And then I've just put 2 sort of summer squash yellow scallops in the front there, because the sun comes round this way, so they'll still get plenty of sun, and by the time these grow over, well, they should still get some sun anyway. So yeah, just put them in there, and I've watered them in, and I'm really hot and sweaty now. It's actually warmer than what I thought. But what I'm going to do now is I need to plant some tomatoes and what they call cauliflowers in the polytunnel. It's going to be hot in there, but I need to clear the bed in there and try and get some planted. So I'm going to go and have a go at that. Polytunnel's on our other plot, so I'm going to head along there now. So I got a bit distracted before going to the other plot. Just stuck out some golden beetroot there, and then I've just stuck out some Cavallonuro kale there that's desperate to go out. I'm not sure if I'm going to net it or not. Sometimes I've not netted the kale and it's been alright, then other times the pigeons like it, so I might just go and get something to put over it just to protect it from that. I find the butterflies don't tend to go to that as much as the other things, but you know, never say never, I suppose. Right, so this is the state of the polytunnel at the moment. I've just put some cucumbers there. They're not planted out, but they're going in here. Just need to finish weeding around there. Got spring onions. I need to cut back this comfrey because I don't want that there. I want some cucamelons or cucumbers in these pots to grow up there. I can try pulling it out, but they're a bit of a nightmare to pull out, so I might just cut it back. And yes, then I need to get tomatoes and cucumbers in here, but it is very hot in here, so I'll see what I can do, and if not, I'll come back this evening and finish it when it's a little bit cooler in here. So it's a bit later on in the day. It's actually in the evening. It got too hot in the polytunnel for me in the end. There's no breeze, so I just wanted to go home. I forgot to bring my drink with me. It was in the car, so yeah, I've just come down just to finish up a few bits, and I'll just show you what I did get done this morning before it got too hot for me. So this is in the polytunnel now. So I've weeded this bed, and then I put in some of that manure. I've just put 3 little cayenne chili peppers in there. These are what they called cucumbers. There's no tag on them. And then there's 1 little cucumber there, and then these 2 cucumbers, and then these 2 cucumbers, and then we've got this netting from last year, so they'll grow up there hopefully. And then I just put some more cayenne. Oh, actually, yeah, they're not cayenne peppers, they're sweet peppers, not chili peppers, they're sweet peppers, and these ones are cayenne peppers. So I just put 4 in that thing there. I put 2 tomato plants in there. I think they're both Romas. No, they're Moneymaker. And then I also put tomatoes in here as well. I think one's Roma and one is Moneymaker as well. So that's what I managed to get done in the end. And then I've just got to do these ones. So they are going to go over there. So I might have a go just at doing that. But yeah, that's all the stuff that got done today. It did turn out to be quite hot in the end, and I'm hoping to get back down over the weekend, although I have got quite a busy weekend coming up, so I'm not sure if I'll have much time, but I'll see what I can do. But I feel like we're actually getting somewhere now, which is good. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.